Hi, this is Andrew with InCliick, and today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough of the initial setup on the InCliick Model X3 camera on an iOS and Android device. First, visit either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download our app, InCliick. Next, plug in your X3 camera. For initial setup, the camera should be in the same room as your router. Later, once you are connected, the camera can be moved to any room where there is sufficient Wi-Fi signal. When the camera is plugged in, it will shake its head and say "Welcome to use," which may then be followed by "Please connect" or "Connection successful." These status indicators will be useful later on. Once your camera has booted, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings menu. On an iOS device, open the Settings app, then Wi-Fi. On Android, this varies by phone, but usually can be done by dragging the notification bar down, then holding the Wi-Fi Quick Settings toggle until the Wi-Fi settings page opens. Now look for an available Wi-Fi network that will start with the letters XWL. Clicking on the network name will ask for a password, which is 01234567889. Then hit Join or Connect. If by chance you do not see a network that starts with the letters XWL, we will need to perform a reset of the camera. To do so, check the box your camera came in. More recent purchases will have a small pin that we can use to reset the camera. If you do not have this pin, a small paperclip or safety pin works well. The reset hole is located on top of the camera next to the SD card slot. Insert the pin at about a 45-degree angle towards the lens side of the camera. You should feel a button click down. Hold this button down for 5 seconds and the camera will audibly say "Successfully reset." If you go straight down in the hole, you will probably hit nothing and the pin will go deep into the camera. If you do not hit the button, pull the pin out and reposition it until you feel the button. After the reset, the XWL Wi-Fi network will now be visible. Now that your device is connected to the camera's Wi-Fi network, open up your InCliick app and navigate to the home page. If this is your first InCliick camera, this page will show a large Add Device button at the top, then will be empty until some buttons at the bottom. If you have attempted a connection previously, you may see a Wi-Fi cam listed that shows a status of offline. If this is the case, hit Edit in the upper right corner and delete the camera off the screen. Hit the Add Device button, then hit LAN Search. When the camera's name and device ID come up, click on it. This will fill in the device ID. The password field should be left blank for now. Hit Done in the upper right corner. The camera should now be visible on the home page with the status of online. This does not mean we are done, however, as we now need to connect the camera to your home's Wi-Fi network. Next to the camera's name, you will see a yellow circle with an exclamation mark, a switch, and a gear icon. Hit the gear icon, which opens up the camera's settings page. At the top of the page, click Wi-Fi setting, then Wi-Fi network list. Now find the Wi-Fi network you would like to connect the camera to on this list. This network must be a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5.0, and must have a password set. Clicking on the network name will then prompt for the network password. Be sure you enter the password exactly as it has been set, with any spaces and capitalization where they should be. If the password is entered incorrectly here, the camera will need to be reset and the process started over again. Once the correct network password has been entered, hit Done in the upper right corner. The camera will now reboot. Using the back button, return to the home page of the InCliick app. The camera will be visible and will likely either say connecting or offline at this time. This is normal as the camera is still booting up. When the camera boots up, it will say "Welcome to use," followed by either "Please connect" or "Connection successful." If you hear "Connection successful," then congratulations, your camera is set up and ready to go. If you hear "Please connect," the camera did not join your Wi-Fi network. Reset the camera, rejoin the XWL network, then go to Settings, Wi-Fi Network List, find your network again, and re-enter your password, double checking that the password is accurate. Once your camera is connected to your preferred Wi-Fi network and the status shows online, click on the yellow circle next to the camera's name. This will take you to the password page where you must input a password under the Administrator section. This is for security purposes as you do not want an unsecured wireless device connected to your home's Wi-Fi network. Once you enter a password, hit Done and the camera will reboot again. If your camera has been set up on a cell phone with a cellular data connection, you can turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone to test the function of the camera when you are out of your home. Simply open the InCliick app with the phone on 4G LTE data, and the camera should show online just like it does when connected to Wi-Fi. If it does not, contact our support team. If you are certain that your Wi-Fi password is correct and the camera still says please connect on startup, or shows a status of offline in the app, try moving the camera closer to the router. If you still have issues, call our US-based customer support team or email us at support@incliick.com. Thanks for watching and thank you for choosing InCliick.